morning. Today we're gonna review the John's Red 621. Good old saw. No, I'm just kidding. We're actually gonna do the 7910 Dolmar. It's new last spring. This is their latest and greatest with the new exhaust system. So far it's been really good. Runs great. Power wise, we got two 385s. It's kind of in the same area. One thing I don't like about it, it does get a lot of sawdust under the cap here. You can see. Put grease around the outside edge to try to help that a little bit. This has got RS chain on it now, and it has the full wrap bar. I also don't really care for the kill switch. A lot of times when you're switching hand positions, you can shut it off, or when you're starting it, you can forget to turn it on. I wish they'd go to something like this where it's just a kill switch and basically always on. These are all the different files I've tried over the years. Of course, they all work good. This one by far is the best. It also takes the rakers down. It's a preferred. Also, if you guys are filing your saws, if you use a little bit of chalk, this is just sidewalk chalk, works quite well. So let's try her in the field.